If you could drift like a leaf, what would you feel? If your thoughts could flow like water, what would you think? If your mind could rise like fog above the trees, what would be revealed? Maybe a path to follow within, a way to remember what you forgot, a sense of wonder, a lost flavor that awakens the senses. To smell a beam of light, to taste the shade, to read the story of nature on your skin. It's endless renewal. Embrace what it offers. Let it surprise you. Let it bring you far and sink deep within. Unlock the hidden links. Untie your spirit. Be fully present here and now. Beautifully awake. A ripple in the evening on the ebb and flow of your journey. To that wild home inside you. To the fire of the soul.